Hello, in this video we're going to check if OPPO A94 5G has a mono or stereo speaker. So in order to do this, first we'll need to locate all speakers on this device, and the first one is clearly right here. It's the phone call speaker, and the second is on the bottom of your phone right here. Now let's check any other places for the speaker. There's only two speakers on this phone, one right here and one right here. So to determine if the phone has a stereo speaker, we'll need to play music and then cover the speakers with our fingers. And if the sound is coming from only one source, this is mono speaker. If the sound is coming from two sources, that is stereo speaker. So let's play music. And I can already confirm that this is mono speaker because the sound is only coming from the bottom speaker. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.